weapons demo. If you do want to order any, make sure that you check out the link in the description below and use my code Samery because that gets you 10% off any of your orders for your custom weapons. Remember, you can customize any colors that you want. I'll leave all the links down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Have an awesome week training.